Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this bubble text that you see on the screen. I just done a tutorial on one with a solid color background. It was a title. This one obviously is an effect. So we'll start out on the edit page. We have to have media to make an effect. Can't start out with a Fusion comp to do this. So it could be a still or a video. Exactly 5 seconds is what I have on the timeline. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there. Put the media in selected. Get a merge. And a text plus. Plug it into the merge. Put the text you're liking in. Pick your default font and all that. We are going to make a macro at the end. Myself, I like this Arial round. Pick a color. I'm going to set the size to 0.125. And with the text node selected, get a rectangle. Turn the corner radius all the way up. Set the height to 0.3. Make sure the rectangle is still selected. Right click on the center. Modify width. XY path. Then go to the modifier. Delete these two keyframes. Right click on the X. Modify width. Anim curves. Take your playhead all the way to frame 0. And take the offset to the left where it's just off the screen. Then put the playhead to the end. Then rotate the scale to the right until it's off the screen on the right side. Go back to Tools. Let's change the width to 0.45. Again, that'll just be the default settings. You'll have all these in a macro. Highlight both them. Right click. Copy. Click away. And paste instance. If you don't know what the instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. Everything highlighted in green, and even if it isn't highlighted, it's still coupled to the original node. You can de-instance, meaning decouple them so they work independently. We will do a couple here. Merge them together. Select the instance. Go to the soft edge, right click, and de-instance. And go to the border width, right click, and de-instance. And then right click on the invert and de-instance. Then go to the original rectangle. You'll see right now outside the mask our text isn't showing. You hit invert, the whole text will be there. And then click away right about here. Shift space and displays. I already have it in there. Then you want to come off the instance of the rectangle. Connect it to the green input of the displays. Foreground. And then come off the instance for the text and put it in the background of the displays. Get a background. Now where it's masked, your text should be black. Pick a second color and select the displays. Set the speed to 1.0 and the refraction strength. I'm going to set my default to 0.45. And if you go to the left or the right, you'll see an empty spot there where it's not lining up. Select the displays, pin it, select the instance, pin it, come down to the center of the displays, right click, expression, then take the pick whip up to the center and let go. You can do it on either one of these. What we just did, we connected the center X and Y of the displays to the center of the rectangle X and Y. Now you'll see that gap is gone. By the way, you can unpin these like I just did. Zoom way in. And select the instance. Pick the border width and adjust it. And you're going to see what mine does. Go minus till it lines up. Your setting is likely to be different. But you want it to line up like that. Okay, that looks good. Let's rename the background to bubble color. And we're ready to make the macro. Hold the control button down. Select these in the order that I do. Hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down and deselect the media in and the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. You'll probably never use those, but we'll add them just in case. On scale, delete it and put out. On offset, delete it and put it in. Displace. Refraction strength. Delete it and put it in magnification. And the bubble color. And put bubble in front of color. And go to File. Save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Effects. Here is where you're going to want to make your folder to put your preset in. And once again, don't name it exactly the same or Resolve won't recognize it. Now we'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. There it is. It'll automatically adjust whatever length you put it on a timeline. It'll just move slower. Shorter it is, the faster it'll run. Longer, slower. You can also use an adjustment clip. We'll delete that one. And there it is again. So you don't have to put it right on your media. And if you go in the inspector, you can find all your settings will be there. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.